Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can hide your caller ID on your iPhone 16e. So all you have to do, there are actually two methods. So the first one is just when you call someone, you have to just input the star icon 67 and then the number you want to call, and this is the most universal method, and also I believe works on not only iPhones but other operating systems too. And the next way that you can do it is to just open settings and scroll down to apps, and here you have to find the phone app, and if you have a SIM card inserted, the show caller ID option will be here. I'll show you on my other phone in a second, and you'll be able to just toggle it on and off, and this will be active for every call you make. So just give me a second, I'm going to set it up right here. As you can see, I have the caller ID right here and I can toggle it on and off. So that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.